to the blue line. Let me take a look at that one. Hold on. It is. Morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Just getting a few things set up before market open. Okay. Now, let's see where we're at. We're going to be calling out a whole bunch this morning. I'm going to go over a dozen of them. I think we still have time. I was on like 4:30 this morning, 5 o'clock. I have no idea. Whew, it was too early, though. I'll tell you that. Anyway, we're almost there. I've already set out my alerts. Believe it or not, I actually remembered. Let's go into this one here. Let's go over to here. Let's go here. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's make some more money this morning. Left you guys in with some sells. Let's see. Is this my good morning one? Is this? Yeah. Morning, everybody. I have no idea where I'm at with anything. Sell stop 1 minute across the board, all three indices. If you don't want to play the open, don't. Oh, after that. Oh, I think the 1 minute sell stop I left you guys in worked out extremely well. But yeah, so I don't even know. I haven't even looked at everything yet. Let me whip through a whole bunch of these. 1 minute sell stops across the board on NAM, SPX, and US 30 are usual three. It's already hit the blue line on sell stop to the blue line on US 30. SPX hit its blue line. Oh, sorry, I didn't see all this. And NAS hit its too. NAS hit its blue line. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, so they all three hit their blue lines. Well, yay. Yes, my call was correct. I'm assuming I'm in decent money too. Yeah, I have $280 going on those with $572. I dropped that account balance back to 1,500 last night, and then 600 in that account right now. So cool. All right, sell stops cross board in all three indices. I'm going to go over gold, XRP, all of them. Let's see. Here we go. I'm going to do this really, really quick. So oil, starting with U.S. oil, then we're going to go to gold, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. So here we go. Sell, stop, cross board in all three indices. We'll get back to that in a second. We don't have a lot of time this morning. Damn, it's only 4 minutes. Here we go. Hold on. 1 minute sell, stop, gold. Told you on that one, by the way. That was a correct call. 15-minute buy, stop, gold. That's all we need to know. I'm skipping the rest. Was that gold? Was it U.S. oil? Oh, shit. That was oil. I'm so tired. Oil, U.S. oil, 1 minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop. Gold, next. Oh, yeah, that was a big. I told you on the drop, had to come down. Look at nothing I can call, nothing I can call, nothing I can call. Hey, there it is. There she blows all the way down to the 4-hour line. That's where she's heading to. 1 hour buy stop and play any 1 minute sell stops on the way down. XRP. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. 1 minute. Buy stop. XRP. Hold on. XRP. Where are we at? Oh, jeez. 3 minutes to market open. XRP. Changing XRP to a sell stop down to the 5 minute blue line, then a 5 minute buy, and then you're just too late. These 5 minute buy, 15-minute buys. That's why the 15-minute buys already came into play. That was called out this morning for you too, by the way. Ethereum. Uh, Christmas. 1 minute sell Ethereum to the 5 minute buy already happened. Follow any 1 minute sells, and then there's a 15-minute buy. Ethereum. I'm not going to read all the rest of those out in that particular case. Hold on. Bitcoin. Last one, we gotta go back to our other ones. I don't know what they're doing over here. Bitcoin, 1-minute sell. Bitcoin, 5, 15-minute buy. Bitcoin, nothing. Bitcoin, nothing. 4-hour sell, Bitcoin. Daily buy, Bitcoin. Weekly sell, Bitcoin. Monthly buy, Bitcoin. Back to SPX. 1-minute sell. 5-minute, 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy, SPX. 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy. NAS. 1-minute sell, big time. 5-minute, 15-minute buy. Kinda like I wrote about, huh? US 30. Fucking 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm making these calls for you. Sell stop, 1 minute, 15-minute, 50, hit the 5-minute line. Nice. 15-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy to the blue line of the 30-minute. 15-minute, 30-minute buy to the blue line of the 30. Okay. Let's leave open 1 minute. Let's leave open SPX. Let's leave open NAS. NAS is a sell 1 minute. I already said that. SPX. Sell 1 minute. Let me see US 30. Sell 1 minute. So there you go. Okay, we're cool. We're cool. I'm back on it. Now, woo, that's a way to wake up everybody over there. Let's see what's happening over there. All right, we're up on our two sells right here. Uh, good morning, Dion. Dion, weren't you up at 4 this morning too? Don't you ever sleep, brother? Curtly, good day, Uncle Kev. What's up, Curtly? What's up, Crypto Fox? Biggs Papa, Nathan, XRP Truth. Thanks for sharing the video. Patrick, C, the moderator, the original, the OG. Oh shit! Market open. Market open. Market open. Market open. Oh boy, here we go. Sell stop. 1 minute. All three. All three indices. Sell stops. All three indices. Sell stops. And just wait. And see how she rolls out. Let me flip this into NAS. And then you can still play your 30-minute or 15-minute buy stops. They're not into play yet, though. They have a ways to go up. Just wait. Still a 1 minute sell stop. And just wait here. I'm already in profit on my other ones. I'm just going to pull this one here. Again, don't open. Lock in your profits at open, or you know, make hopefully some good calls later on. That's how I do it. Just wait. Zero rush. There you go. You're in the money a lot on your sell stop on US 30. You're in the money on your US 30 sell stops. You're in the money in US 30 sell stops. You're in the money on US 30 sell stops. You're in the money on US 30 sell stops. Take your money out. You don't have to keep that open. You don't have to keep that open if you don't want to. I'm up $319, $325 on two of those from earlier. There you go. You're in the money on the sell stop on uh, US 30. A lot of money on the US 30. That's not a little. When you see that little tiny movement, that was a lot of money. You could sell and get out and be up 20, 30 pips in a matter of 30 seconds. You're welcome on that one. Thanks, Kev. All right. So you're in the money on that. Oh, nice. If you keep in the trade, that's up to you. That's not on me. That's up to you. You were up 30 pips profit on that trade. You should be out of that trade. No need to hold it. Diddy da, diddy da 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 da. La diddy da. There we go. Nope, haven't seen the curve yet. Nope. Yep, there we come. We should be seeing SPX dip here soon, like right now, Lord willing. We should see SPX dip. We we should see SPX dip. We should see SPX dip. Let's pull over to SPX for a second. You're in the money again on your US 30. You can sell that and get out if you want. I'm not in this SPX trade, so I don't know where you're at on that, but I'm sure you're in the money, at least a tip or 2. All right. Nice job on US 30. SPX, beautiful. NAS doing its NAS thing. There's all, oh, 1 minute. 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, you're in your NAS. Take profit on NAS, take profit on your NAS, either 5 minute or 15-minute buy stop, depending on where you entered. Take profit. Let's see. Take profit. I'm up $41. I'm up $41. Take profit on those, please. I'm only in one? Oh, okay, cool. Yep. There you go. There's your buy stop hitting it for you on NAS 100. Take profit on NAS 100. Again, you don't have to keep these trades open any longer than you like. You've just made on this trade right here, you would have made another 20, 30 pips on NAS. You already made US 30, 20, 30 pips. Oh, hold on. My bad. Oh, SPX. No, this is US 30. My bad. Oh my God. You're already in the money again, the second or third time on US 30 on the sell stop. Take the money. You can get out of that trade. Let me go back over to SPX again real quick. SPX, I don't know where you'd entered in on this. You're probably up a pip or 2 nonetheless, so you can get out of that one. As just with the 5-minute, 15-minute, look at it. There's your 5-minute, 15-minute. There's your buy stop in. You are in the money. Trust me on that. Da 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 da. $64, $61. How many pips is this? 3? Yeah, we're up over 20 pips on the trade. Whoops, hold on. Let me mark that one too. Should I grab it yet? I'm gonna grab it. We'll just re-enter if it comes back down again. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that NAS make us some money. SPX. Hold on SPX. How much time we have left for the 5-minute? Da 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 da. We're in the money. We're in the money. All right, hopefully I made some money off of that. Builder Gladys. I gotta really say, okay, Builder. Good morning, Builder. Good morning, Roger Joseph. Now let's go over here. Hopefully, you guys made your money, and I'm gonna slip away just for a second. Say good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Cody Scheffler. Good morning, Tom Gallant. Good morning, Rob Crucius. Good morning, Patrick again. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Annie Land. Your call was perfect. Thank you, Annie. It was. Gabrielle Godwin. I did that like 4 o'clock in the morning too. You should be careful on some of my 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock morning calls. Gabrielle Godin. Good morning, Nadal. Good morning. Good morning, Candle Envy. Makes greatest candles ever. Good morning. Matter of fact, I can show you the candle. You're in the money again on US 30, just for argument's sake. Da, 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 da. That is so cool. And they're healthy and stuff. Retail's out. Rebought a few from her. But anyway, showed your little work, your beautiful work on on TikTok, Kim. And we do have a page too. I gotta remember to promote that page. Oh, am I? Yeah, 83. Woo! We making money on the sell stops on US 30, and we're making money on the buy stops on that NAS. I'll tell you what. That 5-minute buy, well, your turn, 5-minute, 15-minute buy. I called these sell stops to their blue lines, which they all did, and then a 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop up to the 30-minute US 30 line at like 4:30 this morning. I literally should not have been making calls. I honest to God, trust me when I tell you I shouldn't be making calls at that period of time. I have no business making calls. Yeah, those are challenging times at that point. That's the challenge right there. I sometimes you really shouldn't listen to me at certain times. It worked out well, obviously, they worked out exactly like I called, but nonetheless, that is a challenge, shouldn't be done. Um, Anywho, good morning, everyone. Kev, you're freaking amazing. Thank you, Stephen. George Hyde, you're amazing too, by the way. Good morning, George Hyde. Where we at? Um, that SPX was amazing. Thanks, Page the Marketer. Gold was money. Thank you, Patrick. Good morning, Sean. I think I'm missing people here. You are. Good morning, George. So hit the like button. Thank you, George. Tanny B. Good morning, Tanny. And I'm proud to announce we've went from 1% female watching to two and almost 3% female watching on YouTube. So we tripled our YouTube female viewers. Annie B is good morning. Shannon Ivory, great morning. Great morning, Shannon. John C, good morning. Sean Black, good morning. D Night sells to the blue line was perfection. Yes, it was. Thank you. And that was called out at a very, very early morning time. Patrick, gold is in the money. Thank you. A lot of money. That's a lot of, you're throwing up a lot of money. Page the Marketer, that SPX is amazing. Thank you. Gary Ramundo, good morning, Gary. Philip St. Clair, good morning. Afternoon for you, I guess. That trade, do gold, will do. Bootlegger, good morning. And that isn't, I'm not going to do that actually. Zap Trader, you can say good morning first and then ask nicely. Page the Marketer, yep, you're on the wrong thing, coach. Da 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 dee da 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 da. Kim, oh, that's you, Kim the Candlelator. Yeah, what's up, Kim? Larry Cooper, good morning. Trapper Todd, good morning. Stefan, good morning. Just popping in to say hi. Happy trade. Thank you, Shannon. You too. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Gavin. Good morning, Health, Family, Wealth. Eric. Good morning, NS. Good morning, Carl. Good morning, Harold Wright. Larry Cooper, hit the like. Yes, please do. And he says, thank you. You're welcome. Jamie Rojo. Good morning. P1 ounce. Good morning. Steve Lang. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. All right. Now let's get back to making some money. All right. We all made money on our opening. No 5 minute back in the money. No 5 minute back in the money. I'm confused on that one, Phil. Or Dennis. You look like Phil. Huh? Morning of morning PK. Naz. Naz 5 minute. Da da dee da 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 da. Naz is 5 minute. Naz 5 minutes in the money. Yes, Dennis. Naz 5 minute is in the yeah, a lot of money. Naz is in a lot of money. I don't know how many pips this is. I can give a good guess here for you. We're at holy shit, you should sell. You're at almost 50 pips. Your Naz trade is at 50 pips. Dudes, how much is that for me? I have this very small client. I brought it back to 1,500 again. We're in the money, $123 on that one, and we're in the money on our SPX also. So I probably should ditch both of those. Da da dee da 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 dee da 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 da. Okay, there was a US 30 I did really quick. You guys can listen or not on that one. I can't really call this. Where is it? US 30 to the 1 minute blue line. Sell stop put below it again. Just wait. If it comes back down, awesome. You'll make some more money again. If it doesn't come back down, you won't make any money. That's okay too. We're okay on that. Da 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 da. Dee da do da da dee da do da dee. Okay, we're gonna see what happens here. I like it. I like it. Make sure you are all ready for the 15-minute buy stop or the 5 minute, depending if you're on SPX or NAND. I don't know which. Da dee da do da 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 da. Nice. Naz is so far in the money, there's nothing I can do about it. Sell stop still in force, 1 minute, US 30. Let's take a look at gold. Gold sell is just insanity. If you guys missed this, even though I called it this morning, right? Even though this was called out for miles and miles away, and you can see it, look at gold. Wow, I think one person said they caught it. Wow, gorgeous, just gorgeous. Perfection. Not personified, tradeified. That is a perfect trade on gold. Wow. La-da-yee, da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Mhm. I'm watching US 30 really closely. I'm watching SPX really closely. Da-dee, da-da. The NAS has already did its thing. There's nothing I can do about it. Da-dee, da-doo, da-dee, da-da, da-da. So, if you'd actually like to learn how to make money, learn how to trade. Oh, I didn't announce this again. We have a we're gonna do a guest teacher, mm, at least once a week. I'm gonna share screen with one of you guys that are my students, and you're going to teach everybody. You're gonna take over the show, and I'll only be in the background. And I think we'll start that up next week. By the way, you're in the money on your US 30 sell. You're in the money on your US 30 sell. You're in the money on your US 30 sell. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Dee, da-da, $22. You're up $130 on the other. Da-da-da-da-da-dee. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Look at this money, money. So the count that is 1,500 is now up $800. Da-da-da-da-da-da. You're in the money again on US 30. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Take that money and close it or keep it. That's up to you how you play. I don't know how you like to trade, but I like that money. I'm gonna close that one down and take my money out, and we're out of that trade. Now my $1,500 account is now up $600 on a couple of sells on US 30 and one buy on NAS. My trades currently, and I'll show you these real quick, and then we're gonna get back to making money for you guys. Da 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 da. 15 and change, up 650. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Right. So we're doing okay on those trades. I'm gonna hold those like we have. Let me check again on this if there's anything I can do for you guys. Nope, we're done. Nothing you can do. Nope, you're so far in the money you can't stop. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my take profit up a little bit since this is a smaller account. And no, this is not a trailing stop loss. This is placed strategically so we don't get caught in any kind of pullback. I let it breathe. I let these things breathe. Sometimes you'll see me trade naked a lot. Trading naked means I don't have my stop losses in because I'm pretty sure that at this point in time I could recognize our logo and see what it's doing there. Any hints to anybody? And that's where you sit. Da da dee da 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 dee. Da da. Mike's calling. Cute, Mike. Yeah, that's a possibility of me answering the phone, my brother. Oh, nice. It's already dipped down too. Oh, interesting on US 30. That requires a little bit more hold on now. 5-minute sell. 5-minute sell. 15-minute buy. 15-minute buy. Be ready for that SPX buy. That's interesting to me that that's what that looks like. Hold on. 1 minute. Hmm. Should have saw a bigger fall on that. 15, 5, 5 sell. Keep on that US 30 though. 15-minute 30. But no, it's gonna go back up. Well, do an option. Go over to Nadex and do some, call options. Well, you can do some puts too, but do some call options in the money and see what happens on those US 30s. Alright. People on TikTok, any questions? People on YouTube, any questions? I volunteer for that, says Candle. Awesome. Candle Envy, If you are in the Discord, shoot me a direct message in the Discord, please. Uh, like the video. Don't we don't have enough likes? What are we volunteering for? I'm in. Whatever you need, Kev, I'm in. Thanks, Stephen. Oh, that's sweet. Thank you, Stephen. What we're looking at is I don't need volunteers, but I'm going to go ahead and choose one of you a week, and we're going to go ahead and share screen, and you guys are going to become the teacher for the day. In other words, let's say we'll start at like 9 o'clock in the morning. 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time. You take over trading. You'll make the call. You'll discuss. You'll pull up your chart. Your charts have to look like my charts, obviously. And then I'll correct you when I see that it needs correcting or not. I might let you learn the hard, expensive way where you lose people's money. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a guest teacher, because the only way you guys are ever gonna get to be experts and masters at this is putting in 10,000 hours and or teaching it to someone else. If you teach it to other people, you're gonna be really shocked at how much you retain, how much it helps you as an individual, and of course, you'll be helping them. So that's why. Da, 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 da. Not trading SPX this morning. I'm cool on that. I mean, I'm looking at it. I'm just not trading it. Da, 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 da. Na, na, na. There's an unofficial buy stop in place. Officially, you have sell stops in place. Oop, I gotta update this one. This is no longer NAS. They all touch their blue lines, though, to be clear. This US 30, SPX, NAS, the 1-minute sell stop blue lines all came true this morning. Da da da. Then the 5-minute is already engaged on NAS. We're waiting for the 5-minute buy stop to engage on SPX and US 30, and they will be going to the US 30 30-minute blue line again is where they'll be heading to. Just so we're clear. Do da da. It doesn't mean we're not gonna play these sell stops now. I'm already in 2 of them right here. I'm waiting for that to come down. Da, 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 da. There you go. Defresh will do. Morning, Defresh 1. Can you check EURUSD? How did you invent the blue line? It's so awesome. Isn't that wild? I'm the only one to use it, so I know that for a fact. You ever see anyone else using that kind of blue line? Um, is yeah. How did I invent that? Well, after losing for 5.5 freaking years, 6 years, losing $26,500, which I thought was a lot, I decided, hell, that can't keep going. There's got to be a better way. And then these were these. What were they called? They were called the real A AMAs. They were EMAs. They were called there was something a scanner I used, indicator I was using, and it had it in there, like a version of it in there. And I noticed consistently that it was just trading there. So I would say, how did I get it? From about 5 years losing, seeing where it was going losingly, I was narrowing it down, MA by MA, and that MA was just the one that was there, that blue MA. And I actually recolored it, renamed it, tidied up the actual numbers on it, and that's what it is. And it always gets super close to it as you've seen or touches it, always, whether what time frame it is. And it's just luck, I guess, from God, but it is a lot of trial and error, a lot of trial and error, like a shit ton of trial and error, mostly error. Hi, Kev, can you check it? Yes, I will. EURAUD. Oh, I'm sorry, you said EURUSD. I'm sorry. Good morning, Crazy. I finally saved up enough to buy System Who. Can't wait. Oh, good, Crazy. Congratulations. All right, let's take a look. See. Da da dee da 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 dee da 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 da. EUR, which one? AUD? EUR, 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 EUR. Where the hell did it go? Yeah, EURAUD. All right, here we go. Let's see. Someone's asking me for to check one. I'll check any of the ones I can check for you. Sometimes it takes me a minute to get there. Let's see. Symbols, negative, offset, be a major. Can it? EUR80, no, it is not. The Euro Australian dollar. Yeah, whatever. Here we go. 1 minute. Buy. Already passed it. 5 minute. This is gonna be a buy on a higher time frame right here. Watch. It is. Watch this one's be 30. 30-minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. 30-minute buy to the 15-minute blue. You're a little late getting into that one, but whatever. 1 hour sell. 4-hour sell. 4-hour sell. 4-hour sell. 4-hour sell stop. Hold on. 4-hour sell stop to the blue line. You don't need this, but it's a daily buy. It's a daily buy, and it's to the blue line, which I already called. How neat is that? See, to the blue line, you already hit it, so now it's monthly hit. I don't know what to tell you on that. You're whatever. 1 minute sell stop SPX. 1 minute sell stop not NAS, not NAS. 1 minute sell stop SPX. 1 minute sell stop US 30. Yeah. Not NAS, not NAS. NAS is on its mission of its own. It'll be a 1-minute buy stop soon. So everybody watching, to all your friends and family, be patient. I swear, especially TikTokers. "Oh, it didn't make money every second of every second of every day of every second of every minute of every day. I gotta go." Get out of here. My God. Da da dee da dee da do. Da 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 da. There you go. Da da dee da do. Buy stop again, fill in the gap. No, what is this? Oh, my bad. It is 5 minute. Hasn't turned into the fill in the gap yet, although it might just keep going up. Da-da-dee, da-da, da-da-dee-da-doo, da-dee, from me to you. Da-da-dee-da-doo, da-dee. Okay. Taking it back to product. Gosh, I wish I'd been up for those ones. We could play some cool sound effects. Sell stops in the money on US 30 again. I'm in 2 of those. We're up $324 from earlier ones when I told you guys to do the sell stop at 4 o'clock this morning. Buy stop up 138. That means we must be up a shit ton of pips. Hold on, what's Nas's pips at this point? From the time I just told you at open live, we made this trade, if you guys remember. You're up 53 pips. I think that's enough for you to close down your trade unless you open up more than one. If you open up more than one, close everything down and keep one open. I have a small account. I'm using about a $1,500 account, so I'm just letting this stay right here. That's all. Oh, you're in the money. 100 oh my gosh, you're in the money. Depending on entry right here on your US 30, you're up $41. Now, hold on a second, SPX. SPX is right now. SPX needs to damn drop. It's pissing me the hell off. I'm gonna watch SPX. I wanna see SPX drop. I'm done. SPX, get your ass over here, get on the horse, come on down and join your big brother US 30. Now, come on. That's enough of this shit. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Damn, see, it's already down low. I don't like that about SPX. This thing's either gotta move down or you're gonna see this thing shoot up, 'cause there's no way it's gonna stay right there. None. It's wow. It is absolutely 100% shocking to me that SPX has not fallen further at this point, and I don't get shocked easily with these charts. You're in the money a lot on your, L stop US 30. We're putting SPX up next door. We're putting US 30 right here. You're in the money. I don't know how much, depending on where you entered. You're in the money 30, 40 pips. Hell, if you'd got in when I told you to get in, you're in the money 136 pips. Are you kidding me? Just on the 2 trades that you see me have, you're up over 200 pips. That SPX is a little son of a gun, though. Hmm. You can close down your trade now on, US 30. You're in the money. You're in the money good. It's produced exactly like I wanted it to. You're done. Feel free to take that. I'll take one of mine off. Da-dee, da-da, da-da-da-da. I closed one at $352 profit, and I have one open. And these are only trades I have open now. I have the buy and I have a sell. That's the only 2 I have open. I've closed down my NAS, one of my NASs, and I closed down one of my, US 30s right now. Here's the trades. 1,830 account. We're up $500 now. So this started a little I think it was a little under 1,500 this morning. I've been doing the same account all week. We started at 15.50, I think, on Sunday night, then I doubled the account, I drew it out, made the withdrawal, it was back down to, like, I don't know if that was a little under 1,500 and doubled it again, and there you sit. There's your trades. See the times in, you can see those were live this morning, very easy, nice stuff. I'll probably draw it again and run it again because I wanna try to get this account up for da 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 da. Lost sound, oh, no. I got my money on SPX. Good job, Kurtley. Congratulations. Yay, Kurtley. I finally didn't buy it. K Rose, congrats, crazy. Be patient, wait, trace form. Thank you, Ken Rose, exactly. Patiently waiting for SPX to drop, says Page the Marketer for real about SPX. Yeah, Estes got it back. Oh, cool. I don't know. That sound should be really good or at least decent. That's the one that's on, my phone. Da da dee da doo da dee da 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 da. Safety trade, safety trade, safety trade, safety trade. Oh, me Rumker. All right, guys. Well, I guess we can check out a few others since paint's starting to dry over here. All right, let's go make some more money on some other ones. Wait, do we even have the scanner going? I don't have my scanner up. Hold on. Dee-da-doo. Here we go. Let's take a look at our scanner and see what it's going to do. Let's go to the indice rooms first. Indice rooms. Let's see what we see. Oh, we see the NAS 1 minute. We see the SPX. You get perfect reads, whether they came true or not. Perfect. Let's see if anything's spinning, though. I love me the spinners. That didn't sound good. Let's go here. I'm going to make it full screen. Everyone head over to YouTube so you can see full screen, the full power of the I'll pull over the ones that when they actually see one spinning. Look at them all. Look at them all. All major, all crosses, all indices, all gold, metals, oil, all of them, all cryptos, majors. Look at them all. Yeah, they don't say anything. Flipping. Come on, really? Stocks? There's got there we go. There's a Tesla buy, 5 minute. We'll check that one out. Here's another one. Meli, MELI, buy. I have no idea what that is. And then there's another one. Tesla, same one. Okay, so here we go. So we got a couple. Let's pull this back over so you all can see this. The power of the scanner in the palm of your hand. If you guys don't know who Thing is, you will. There you go. There it is. See the spinning green up arrow. So here's some basics for you guys. When it says BS and it doesn't have anything next to it, see how it says SS1? If it was BS1, that'd be to the blue line. This is just a normal buy stop on Tesla 5 minutes. The time in was 16:55, so we're gonna go ahead and check this out and see what we're looking at on Tesla. Look at how beautiful Tesla's looking right now. Let's see, Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. What do we have for Tesla? I don't see it. I'm gonna have to open it up. Really? Da da dee, da 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 da. Tesla. I don't think yep, Tesla wasn't even open. I know I've checked. I just haven't checked it recently, that's all. Tesla, let's see what Tesla's doing. Hopefully, it's kicking ass. Probably not. Da 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 da. Dee da doo. Beautiful. Oh, 2 new ones, 2 new ones. Ho, ho. We'll look at Tesla in a second. 2 new ones. When you get the new ones, you'll see an alert pop up on the screen. The alert does not go to your phone necessarily, through email. That's because Verizon sucks, doesn't work properly, and we can't control that. It's up to you guys. But you can see it pops up on the screen. We're gonna scroll down here. We'll look for some new ones. Da da dee da 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 da. Da, da, da. Look at how many it tracks. Tracks over 200 symbols. All 8 there's GE, buy stop 5 minute, normal, look at that one. Let's see if we can find there's another one right here, brand new, and you can tell they're new because it flashes the word new. JPM, JP Morgan, another scam place. That is a green buy stop right there, as you can see. So there you go. So let's go ahead and check out that Tesla and see what we got. Tiva, another one, Tiva. Actually, it used to make my medicine for child. Tiva, 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 Tiva. Look at that. 1, 2, so 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30-minute sell stop. New 30-minute sell stop. Is that the coolest thing in history? I'm sorry, but it's la da 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 da. Green arrows don't, well, they only matter for one thing, as you guys know. Tiva, how beautiful. All right. So, any rate, so they are popping. We're getting a few going now. We're getting a few going. Da, 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 da. Let's go ahead and check out at least one of these, and I'm going to move back over. Crypto, Forex, indices. We have a US oil buy stop. There's too many to check. Tesla. Can't pull it up. Tesla. That was a 5-minute. Correct. 5-minute buy stop Tesla. 5-minute buy stop Tesla. To the 30-minute blue line, buy stop Tesla. 4-hour sell stop Tesla. 4-hour sell stop Tesla. Oh, shit. Tesla's a sell stop to the weekly blue line? Oh, that's not good. No, whatever. It is a monthly buy. There is that. Yay. All right. Tesla, US oil. Let's take a look at oil. US oil showing a 30-minute buy, and that is correct. I do believe that was that 1-minute sell I was talking about earlier, though. 1-minute sell, 5-minute, 15-minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30-minute, 1-hour buy stop, US oil. 4-hour sell stop, US oil. Daily, nothing, it's already hitting its blue line. Weekly sell stop to the blue line, US oil. Monthly buy stop, US oil. Da-da-dee, da-doo-da-dee. Nice. We have another one to call? No, not right. Forex, indices. What gorgeousness you're seeing live. This is amazing. I'm gonna leave Forex open. Let's see what happens on Forex. All right, where are we at with our stuff? Sorry, hold on. SPX, nothing. Still waiting. NAS, uh, it's going over to touch its well, yeah, what looks to me a yellow line, but it's a green line. The over underline is going over to touch the over underline, and then it's going to be a buy stop. And that's what it's doing on NAS. US 30, you're in the money. Woohoo! Who's in the money? Who's in the money? La da 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 da. All right, did I miss anything? Will NAS close the gap? What's up, Shiro? Will NAS close? What's up, Kranken and Big Papa and Desta? Will NAS close the gap? Yeah, but that's not a good trade right now. Wouldn't risk. You already made your money on that trade. Big My Way is the name for real. SPX is playing games. Yeah, is what it is. Morning, Con. Done 10% today. Get out of the market, Con. Congratulations, Con. Now leave and don't trade anymore. Good morning, Con. Closed one gold at 5.5 and was happy while I slept. The second at 27 by the system. Thank you. I really need to put that saying on the. I'm going to have someone make that up. A marketer make that up. Buy the damn system, and then we're going to have the safety trace system underneath it. Stephen Dunlap, heck yeah, Patrick, rock on, brother. Patrick, blessed. Yes, sir. We all are blessed. Martin Hernandez, what brokers do you use? We are using, this is installed on Eagle FX, and then you can trade on any broker you like. Again, I have 7 live accounts on Eagle FX. I have 2 on Hugo's Way. I have 1 live broker account on Tradeovite, Nadex, Forex.com, Thinkorswim, Pepperstone. I'm sure I'm missing someone in there, but it's all these different ones. 1-minute sell stop, US 30. And we're up $279 on the one, $179 up. We're up $500 on an $1,800 account. We just made $400, whatever that was, 300 and change on a US 31. John says Kev was out 2 hours ago. Just relax, enjoying your stream. Thank you, God. There you go, Con. Thank you. Just enjoy yourself. Make your money and get the hell out of the. That should be another thing. Get the hell out of the market. Make your money and get out of the market. Simple as that. Da, 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 da. US 30, 1-minute sell stop. US 30 went again and touched his 5-minute blue line again. Let it come back up again, play it on the way down from the 5-minute, 15-minute. US 30 is a 15-minute, actually, it's a 30-minute buy stop now. 30-minute buy stop, US 30 is. Da, 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 da. Uh, 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 uh. Da, da, da. Yep. so we'll wait there. Alright, next, NAS, 1 minute, filled the gap nicely, I still wouldn't take the trade. It's just not it's not near the 5 minutes, too far away. This would be considered a SS2, and it's not an SS2 to the blue line, so, I'm glad we made money. Hell, I'm up $209. 200 I'm up how many pips is this? I'm up $209 on this one trade right here, up almost 80 pips. Oh my god. Again, unless you bought more than one, you should close these trades down. You're up 80 pips on a trade. Please close your trades down. I'm keeping them open to keep it more exciting for you guys, but close your trades down for the love of God, please. If you're up 80 pips on a trade when professionals make 10, please close the trades. And you better be only using demo. I'm not a financial advisor, thank God. 1 minute sell stop. I should enter this again. Why not? Let's see where we're at though on the 5 minute before we get going here. Yeah, it needs to rise up higher. We need, let me draw it out for you. We need this to occur right here. We want this to come down, come back up right here, and do this. Then as it does it's gonna take forever, by the way. I couldn't imagine how long this is gonna take to form today. If it does, we need this one to turn green. All this is how it's gonna happen. I'm telling you the future before it happens yet again. Watch. Well, these all stay red. If we can get this little scenario like this, where you see this pullback come back up and it's to the blue line, y'all are about to make a shit ton more money very, very, very soon. Well, not very soon, I shouldn't say that. You're about to make a shit ton of money, a lot of it. But in the meantime, there's nothing I can do. You gotta let it come up and then do its other thing. So we'll see. I'll leave this up. This is our US 31. I'm gonna move this out of the way so you guys don't get confused. Now, how in the world did we make all this money this morning on US 30? Sell stop forming yet again before your very eyes, and this is also a buy stop to the blue line, but I can't call that officially, so you play that how you will. Da-da-dee, da-da-da-da. Why'd I saw Tesla of all things? Uh. SPX is broken. SPX has been broken, as Rancher Girl pointed out. Buy stop SPX, 15-minute. You should be in the trade already. Buy stop SPX, 15-minute. Buy stop SPX, 15-minute. And if you're in the trade, make sure you put your stop loss appropriately and make sure you take your take profit after 1 or 2 pips. La-da-dee, da-doo-da-dee, doo-da-da, da-da-doo, da-doo-da-dee. Again, I can't watch all these time frames for you like the scanner can. You have to have your own smartness about you. Look at it. This is called green, 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 red, green, green. This is called at like 4:30 in the morning on a previous YouTube video telling you what I was gonna do about 4 hours before it happened. When did I make this YouTube video? Hold on. Da-da-dee, da-doo, da-da-dee, da-doo, da-doo. We need to go to our channel. Then we need to go to our lives. This was 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago. These trades that you are now reaping benefits for were 5 hours ago. Oh, I love how my commercials are on my I hate commercials on YouTube, but I love them on my actual videos. Look at this call out, guys. Gee whiz. I don't know. Let's see. Where what what where what? Wait, now hold on. Ho, 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 ho. Hold on, I might have to go full screen. I'm on another screen here. Give me a second. You're in the money on your SPX. Take the money and leave. You're up your 1 or 2 pips. There's no sense of holding on to that. You're in the money on SPX buy stop. Oh, I was waiting for the sell stop. Can't help it. You didn't ever engage. There's nothing we can do about it. I never marked I never marked it. Ugh. I never put them Oh, the trade was called. I'm gonna go back into the video itself, and we're gonna see what I wrote out. My goodness. Really? I was that tired this morning, I never marked my trade. There it is. So from 5 hours ago, here it is. I never wrote out my call outs is what I'm saying, sorry. Let's take a look-see and see. Alright, so this is the trade, if I can get this right here. There's the write-up for it, and this is the time period from it. So let's go back down to here. 157 5 hours ago, yes. I can't believe I never wrote it out. Now I gotta go back and rewrite this one and the one I'm in. Any rate, that's the trade. You can see my call outs are right here. That's this thing right there, and you can see that these were 15-minute buys, 5-minute, 15 minutes. So in other words, they hadn't formed the 1-minute sell stop yet, so those all came correct. They haven't formed the 5-minute, 15-minute that you're currently riding in, but 5 hours ago, I told you it was gonna go down. 5 hours ago, I then told you it was gonna go up. So they all went down and hit their 3-minute, their 1-minute blue line, and now US 30 I'm sorry, now NAS 100 and SPX 500 are now in their 5-minute, 15-minute buy stops, all making you money. So this was called out 5 hours. All the trades were called out before they developed. I don't think I'm being clear enough. Am I being clear enough? Do you guys understand what I'm saying? These trades called out 5 hours before they came true. I called the down, and then I called the up, all because of the system, not because I'm a time traveling alien. 5-minute, I can't call it, so it's still gonna stay here. If it flips and goes down, there's nothing I can do. You're in the money depending upon entry right here, you're in the money 3, 4, 5 pips on SPX, get out of the trade. 100% successful trade on US 30. US 30 went down to its 1-minute blue line, and then it went back up, you're in the money. How do I know? 'Cause I'm in a shit ton of money. SPX, 100% successful trade, went down and touched the blue line as it's called right here. Called right there 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, whatever it was, right? And then it went up, and NAS 100 then went up and made $200 for us, like 70, 60, 70 pips. US 30 touched its 1-minute blue line, has not gone up yet. That should be a nice big hint to somebody out there in the world. And there you go. So all these trades were called beforehand. 1-minute sell stop, by the way. And there's also the true statement of a oop, we have Euro Chef. Look at it. It's gonna go down there it goes. Drew it out. Kane was gonna be filling the gap, though, watch. It's gonna be a fill in the gap. Now, if you played it from here on down, you're in the money on US 35-minute back down to the blue line. We can sit here and watch that. That's fine. Let me pull up NAS, see what we got going on with NAS. Nothing. NAS is on its own. We can't even attempt to get into NAS. Alright, so NAS is done. We'll just wait for a pullback on NAS, which is gonna take God knows forever. Is a 30-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line on US 30, besides your 1-minute sell stop and 5-minute sell stop. Alright, so we're gonna sit right there. So now, don't come back and say, "Oh, I didn't know it was a 30-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line on US 30," when it's obviously a 30-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line on US 30. I'm not trying to be facetious, but, you gotta have some common sense at this point of your life. Da 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 da. Dee da da. Curtly says, "Thank God, thank Bri, and thank Kev." Thank you. Took my money, ran. Thank you, Curtly. Congratulations. Very good call on that rancher girl about closing the gap. I just couldn't make the call. I'm going to SPX. Kevin, I'm out 2 hours ago. Didn't make any entry yet. I'm waiting for the drop, but it shot up instead. Not mad, just waiting. No, page the marker. I just went over that and explained to you how you should have played that. Hopefully you're not mad, and hopefully you're learning. And there's no point in getting mad. What the fuck? You ain't getting mad at me, bro. Ah, no, not quite. Kev, you can curse me out if it's not house. What is your They're all different ones. This 1003 is what I've been using lately. That question is irrelevant, buddy. Your last I should be set accordingly. Yeah, I do. I'm in my Zoom call voice. Nice, D, nice. I'm confused. Yeah, they're .03 lot sizes. And don't be confused when you see US 30 go up a little. Oh, but it's a 1-minute sales stop. We're gonna, yeah, okay. Now again, you guys that don't know and understand, you never engaged on your SPX, right? Boy, you in some money on this NAS, on this US 30. Look at it. And where is it going? And I can't control you. If you can't clearly see a 30-minute buy stop on a 30-minute line to the 30-minute blue line, I can't help you. Don't I'm not angry. Who the fuck? I'm not angry. Okay, you don't know what you're talking about. No offense to anyone that said that words. Let's go over to SPX and explain why I'm not angry. I'd never engaged. So your 1 minute never engaged. The Bach broke, your, top indicator broke. I can't teach you everything because people scam. So that means you look for the next most powerful, matter of fact, Rancher Girl called it perfectly. You look for the next most perfect safety trade, which happened to be a 15-minute buy stop. The 15-minute buy stop on NAS has netted us on SPX would have netted you over your allotted 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5 pips because you're up 6 or 7 pips, 7, 8 pips. So you should be out of this trade. So I'm not angry person, will never speak those words again because they don't understand how they're what they're trying to speak about. I'm not angry. That's funny as fuck. Okay, hope you guys all understand how to play that trade now so that you don't get angry. All right, let's take a look. Like, implying I did something wrong or the system did. The system's perfect. The only mistake there ever is with the system is human error, and obviously that was the case in what I'm just talking about. There is no wrong with the system. I guarantee you 99.9999% of the time, the system is correct and you're wrong. I'm wrong. That's who's wrong. The system isn't wrong. I misread the system. So if you're gonna get angry at yourself. CHFJPY. New it's a M1, it's an M1, SS3. Oh, nice. Let's take a look. What is it? CHF. Let's go find it first. Let's go find there we go. Here it is. Beautiful. You see this right here? What a gorgeous little thing. Now, it's new. It's a 1 minute. It is an SS3, so all of you that have the free upgrade coming that already have the scanner, if you don't have the scanner, you can't get a free upgrade. It doesn't work like that. CHF, JPY, CHF. SS3, this is a red. Red means down or sell. Green means buy or up. So this is a red. So this is a down spinning arrow. Down, sell, red. SS3. So now we're gonna go pull this up and see what we see. CHF, JPY. I don't think I have this open. Hold on, let me go to symbols and look. CHF, JPY. You don't know how much I really wanna not be nice as I am right now, but I'm being as nice as I can. Here it is. Oh, okay, it's at the bottom. Here we go. What is this? A 1 minute. This is a 1-minute sell stop to the blue line. SS3 means it's not close to the other line. It is kinda close to the other line, though. That is true. This is a 1-minute sell stop to the blue line. It's already hit its blue line once. That is actually true. That read the trade perfectly. Also, CHF JPY is also a 5-minute buy stop. Is also CHF JPY is a 5-minute buy stop. We going to the 1 minute, 1 hour? Where are we at here? I never traded this. Oh, no, we're nowhere near anything. It's gotta be a sell somewhere too at this point. Wow, this thing's on fire. Where the heck's this thing going to? It's monthly? Okay, I don't know what the heck CHF, JPY, I mean, it's the Swiss, Japan, I get it. But why is it just booming like this? I have no idea. These are monthly. Monthly on this thing. Oh my god. You'd be up 3,800 pips on this buy stop. I don't know. I don't know what this is. I've never traded it, but wow, that's pretty impressive. Anywho, that's what it is. All right, let's go back down here now. I'm not upset. 5-minute NAS. I think we're making money on our NAS buy. I think you're making money on your 30-minute. Look at it. Now, come on. Forget being mad. How about you guys jump up and down for joy that there's a time traveling alien that has shared his, uh, his system with you, calling out this trade. How the hell did I call a 30-minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line 5 hours before it formed? How did I do it? How did I do it? How did I do it? D Nice. Oh, I'm sorry you got laid off, D Nice. My prayers to you, my brother. What's up, Precious? Precious is in the house. Come on, baby.
Good morning.
Yay, now we can even do better. All right. So, 45 people on TikTok. I don't know how many's on YouTube, probably 100 or something. There's about 76, 73 people on TikTok, whatever. A couple hundred people out there. How on earth, everyone's saying good morning,
Good morning.
is, I'm in so much fucking props, it's nice. How on earth can you guys explain this video on YouTube this morning at like, I have no idea. Let's just say 5 o'clock in the morning, 3 in the morning, whatever it was. This video where I called out, and you can clearly see that I called it out, written it out, drew it out, wrote it out, right? Well, I didn't draw this one, only wrote it out, typed it out. This video right here where I called a 30-minute buy stop to the blue line, and it's right here. It's in writing. This has never been changed. This is just live. This right here. I said there'd be a 1-minute sell stop, all 3 indices to the blue line. It happened. How? Then I called out there would be a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop, all 3 indices up to the 30-minute blue line. Look where we're at. How did I make this call? Am I a time traveling alien, or did I make the best, most outstanding system in the history of the world, sharing it with you guys because of God and God's grace only? Which is it? Are me and Bree time travel aliens? Or did I create the greatest system in the history of the world? And I hate to brag, but it's not bragging when it's true. What is it? I'm staying here and waiting. This isn't rhetorical. So did either God bless me with the knowledge to make this system, so we say God, or do you say I'm a time traveling alien? Those are your 2 choices. Either God inspired me to make this system where I could call out trades 5 hours before they happen, and you reap the reward. All 3 SPX, US 30, and NAS went down and touched their 1-minute blue lines. All 3 are now off of either 5-minute, 15-minute, or 30-minute buy stops going to the 30-minute blue line. "Oh, but it didn't touch. Oh, but it's going down now." It came close enough. The trade was successful. You're in so much money, it's a joke. Period. There it is. And look, 50 people, and now that I forced them to talk about God, 20 of them left because they can't admit to it, that the system is flawless, that God inspired me to make this system, that this system did call out this trade 5 hours left, 5 hours before. I can care less. If you don't wanna give credit to God and give credit to flying spaghetti, you give credit to Jesus, give credit to Muhammad, I don't care. But this system literally is as perfect as you're gonna get. 1 hour, 4-hour trades never miss in 3 years. Nothing's perfect. There will be a mistake here or there, I'm sure, but I've never seen it. No one's answers. I guess we're good. I guess I don't have to stay on. If no one answers, it's gonna da 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 da. Sensitive? Cranking? Sensitive. That's funny. Thank God, thank God. Best system ever. Let's pull that up then. Look at it. These calls, again, oh, sensitive. La, 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 la. What, dude? Look at this. Just look and be stunned and amazed of what you're seeing. Look at it. This has been called 5 hours before what you're seeing happen. 5 of them, not 1, not a minute, not after the fact. I have 500 videos. You wanna know what my 500 video rate is? Daily win rate on those 500 videos. Anyone would like to take a guess? Go ahead. Da da da, da 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 da. There it is. I don't think everyone really appreciates what's happening, but I couldn't make a right call to save my life for 5.5 years. As soon as I put my order in, I would lose in seconds. It was a loss in seconds, not in an hour or 2. I would put my order in for 5.5 years and lose. Now I'm calling trades out hours before they form with near 100% accuracy. Da, da, da. Okay, that's what's being said on TikTok and YouTube, so you guys can see it on both. Da, 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 da. Wow, that's all I can tell you. Buy the damn system. Learn how to trade. If you have the system, buy another one for someone else and teach them what to do. It helps me reach more people, which my goal is the first stop is 1,000. We're 3/4 the way there. So let's get up to that 1,000, then I want 10,000, I want 100,000, I want 1,000,000 people. When we get 1,000,000 people using the system, I'll be happy because I think we'd have changed the world at that point. Because the rules are they have to do good with their money, and if there's 1,000,000 people making shit tons of money, then you're doing good with it, you'll do really good with things. There it is, safetytrick.com, only place you can buy it. You're gonna learn it. Everyone I just did, everything I just did, you guys can master. All of you can do the same thing. All of you can do the same thing. Mm, no, my stance that that girl of God, really God, Lord, Father, Greg, 100%. Damn, silly, 2 silly Siberians. 500 trades? Is that what he needs? Amazing. Oh, $500. Oh, God bless you. You're simple. Thank you, Kev. Do you see the goal going to the 4-hour blue line? I'll check it. Oh, 500 winning videos. Correct. Thank you, 2 silly Siberians. That is correct. 100%. We're trying to do both, Kev. Thank God for me stumbling on Kevin. Another level. Yeah, the scanner is another level, Con. You use 30 minutes to the blue line. Wow. That's fine. Thank you, sister. Yep. All right, so let's take a look. Buy the system. Oh my God. Let's take a look at something. Look at it. It lit that is a touch. That is a touch. That is a touch. Touch. Boom. Finish it. Where's my finish it? Oh, where's my finish it? Finish it happened. Oh my God. One of these things. Do I not finish it? Really? There we go.
Finish it! Finish it!
All right, that's not loud enough. Hold on, you're up. I can put this on. I found some of those things. You know what? It won't probably even be loud enough either. Let's see. Da 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 dee da 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 dee da do da 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 da. Okay, that was that was from, Spider-Man 2, greatest movie in the history of the world, by the way, and I was calling finish it because when it finishes to the 30 blue line, that means every one of the trades I called out for you have been 100% successful from 5 o'clock or 4:30 this 5 hours ago, whatever the hell that was, 4:30 this morning, 5 o'clock, whatever it was, all of it is finished. All of it is finished. Everything I wrote out came true. 1-minute sell stop to the blue lines, all 3 indices came true. 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops to the US 30-minute blue line is true. You are done. Why are you still trading? I don't know. There's your third look at it. Look at it go up before your very eyes, called out hours before it happened. There it is. There it is. There's your NAS. Here's your SPX. Here's your US 30. Look at them. Look at them. And I swear I don't want anything, but you better be thanking God. You better be thanking the system. You better be thanking Bree. I'm good on the thing. This is why I don't show myself. I don't like being on here. How about that? Reluctant trader, because I don't want to be on here. I don't show myself for this very reason. I don't want any of the glory. But when I make calls 5 hours ahead of time and they come out exactly true, 500 different videos on YouTube, I do expect some credit to God, the system, and Bree. Look at it. Look at it and be stunned. Look at it and say, "How is this man doing it?" And when you buy the system, I teach every one of you. I give you the exact same scanner. You don't get scanner included. You get the exact same system, all the indicators you see me using, and I teach you everything humanly possible so that you all can make the same trades. Now, granted, some of you think in a week you're gonna do that. It's not gonna be the case. 2 or 3 months, yeah. A little longer probably to get to the level I'm at, yes. But I'm only this good because I created the system and I've used it for years, 3 years, well over. I only went public a year and a half ago or so. I kept it the first 2 years to myself and made all the money I wanted before I brought it to you guys. No, I'm not gonna keep going on. No, I'm not gonna check crude Brent. Well, not now anyways. I don't need any things either. Yes, you do, Precious. Without Precious, I wouldn't be here. Mark my words, I wouldn't be here. She's the one that keeps me sane and answers all your guys' silly emails. Not that they're all silly, but sometimes there's some ones that aren't. Thank you. Good morning. How can anyone push this and just looking at it? I don't know. People realize what is going on here. You can scale this to $100,000 a day if you want, and it works every damn time. Correct, Patrick. I was cruising TikTok one day and heard this guy yelling his ass at some chart and say, "Never since." I'm not right here. Patrick, how's it going, my brother? Larry Cooper, same here. Patrick, I called Gold Gap before I got off work. I went safety trade before bed. I woke up 500 months. Nice, Patrick. Congratulations, Patrick. Beautiful day. Page mark system is dope for sure. I missed SS entry on SPX and got caught on the buy stuff and made my money. Absolutely. Congratulations. Thank you, Rudy. Thanks, Melanie, and thanks either. Thanks, God, Brady. Those are the things. Look at it. Wow. I don't know what else to say, but wow. All right, you guys want me to look at other things? I don't want to get off of this. I don't want to keep harping. I don't think you guys, some of you understand what you're seeing before your very eyes. Most of you do not see. There shouldn't be 46 people here on TikTok and 80 or whatever on YouTube. There should be 4,000 on TikTok. There should be 40,000 on YouTube watching. This is over a year and a half-ish, whatever, a year and 15 months. I have no idea. Over a year, 500 videos, never had a losing day, calling out trades hours before they occur. Literally. Matter of fact, I'm switching this to this one's gonna be the trading video that everyone gets. How on earth can I possibly tell you before it happens they're going to the 1-minute blue line? That was crazy enough. All 3 indices went down and touched the blue line, all 3 of them. How on earth did I ever call 5 hours before that it was gonna be a 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop up to the US 30-minute blue line. How? If someone would have told me this back when I was learning, when I first started learning, I would have given the guy probably $20,000, $100,000. I would have said, "How in the hell can this guy do this? Teach me." What do we get? "Oh, he's a scammer. Oh, he doesn't know what he's doing. Oh, this isn't true. Oh, this isn't right. Oh, this doesn't work." Really? 500 videos later, never having a lose every trade I've ever traded has been either called out or done live with you guys. Every trade ever. I don't know what more. I would be doing anything to figure out how I'm doing this. I'd give anything, and all you have to do, go over to safetytrade.com, spend $575, and I've given you keys to be a trillionaire. One of the comments, that I got on one of the, discords was, "Are you a trillionaire yet?" To one of our other members who made a successful trade of, like, $10. Are you kidding me? $10 that person made, that could be $1,000,000 to them. Never make fun of anyone making money. Never. If you're making 50 cents a trade, $5 a trade, $50 a trade, whatever it is, that's fantastic. If you're using the system perfectly like you're supposed to be using it, or near perfect as you can get, you're winning 91% of your trades, 99% of your trades, instead of losing them. You're doing fantastic. Just think of this. I'm not using support and resistance to make these trades. I'm not using Fibonacci retracement. No matter how much I tried Fibonacci retracement to work, it doesn't work. Volume, I had a guy come on yesterday, say something about volume. Doesn't work. VWAP, volume does not work. Trend lines do not work. Again, don't take my word for it. Type it into Google, do 1% of day traders make money? And they don't. What works is when you see these exact patterns. How do I know when they're gonna form? Because they form in order, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and I knew that we'd have to see a 15-minute or 30-minute to the blue line buy. I knew it before it happened. Look at it. It's been called out again. Crazy. Thank you, Larry. God bless you. It's just a crazy busy job. Yes, absolutely you can. You'd be great in a training course. Go.
Silly.
2 silly Siberians. Got a great deal. Who's that?
Those are the breeds of his cats.
Oh, right. Yeah, right.
2 silly Siberians.
Works for stocks too. The Tesla call was perfection. Nice 18 pom-poms. Let's take a look at that. This would make a great TV show, wouldn't it? I still wanna be on TV and do this. I don't wanna be on TV. I don't wanna be seen on TV, but I love it for it to be put on TV. I think it'd be exciting. It's never been done before. Everything else has been done. Make a reality TV show about trading. Wouldn't that be the freaking coolest? Just don't I don't want any I don't want any of it. Just about the system and about making the correct trades, that's all. It'd be so freaking cool. Maybe Bree will do it. Oh, that'd be awesome. Bree, you wanna be on TV show? Me and Bree are both like that. Alright, what was the one? Oh, Tesla. I don't even remember the Tesla call. Let's take a look at Tesla, what it did. What? Oh, no, it did not just freeze. Oh, okay. Whew, okay, Tesla. 5-minute buy, 1-minute buy, to the blue line buy. Oh, is that what I called? I don't remember. Probably that one. Going to the 30, going to the 15. Yep, that's true. Gold. Now Patrick said something about gold. Let's go back over here. I can't believe I'm getting off this because this was so accurately called. I'm just even I get stunned at some of my calls. Oh, look at that gold. Wow. I'm assuming you made a sell stop, Patrick? 1-minute sell, fi 15-minute sell, 5-minute sell, 30-minute sell, 30-minute, 1-hour sell, 4-hour sell, or to the 4-hour blue line. Watch where it's going to. Yep, that's where it's heading to. Daily buy, that's gold. Someone go ahead and say we got gold right. What do you think? 1 minute. 5-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute buy to the blue line, 5-minute, 15-minute buy to the blue line, 15-minute blue line had hit. I think we had an issue with Bitcoin going up to this one, though. Let me see something. Maybe not. No, it didn't go there. Ethereum, was it? Ethereum already did it, that's why. XRP. Yeah, look at XRP, the little engine that could. gracious, XRP is at 46 cents. No, we got it at 31, so we're up a little bit. Sell stop 1 minute XRP. Buy stop 5 minute XRP. I didn't do gold. You're already too late on the 30. You're already too late on XRP. 4 hours sell, daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy. Let me go back to Bitcoin to be specific. 1 minute buy, 5 minute sell if you want to call it that. 15-minute buy to the 30-minute blue line. You're getting a little late on this one. I already did this, but whatever. 4 hour sell stop. Bitcoin is about to drop. It looks like to me. Daily buy Bitcoin, weekly sell to the blue line Bitcoin, monthly buy Bitcoin, and that's Bitcoin. Just double that for XRP. They're the same. 1 minute buy, stop, fill in the gap. Can't call anything else. NAS on fire, on fire. NAS is up 136 pips. How much? In our small account, we're up $242. Oh, 300. I'll just pull it over. And I'll run through this indices again. These are 0.03 lot size purchases. Someone asked that earlier. Doesn't matter. Just match it up to your account. These are 515. These are your time in. I started this account was a little bit over 1,500 or was a little under, whichever I drew it out. So we just made a $300-something trade earlier. Here's our 500. So now we're up to $2,400 in the account. We're up $700-800, a little $800-900, whatever it is. And there it is. Okay. That's just a small little account for one of the family members. Anyway, that they are controlling. I'm just helping them make correct decisions. 1 minute buy stop. 5 minute buy stop. Let's pause here. All right, this is a buy stop. This is a trade. This is where I entered. This is how it was. Let's take a look and see how you trade. So if everything else I said doesn't work, then what does work? Let's take a look. That yellow blob you see is the future. No one can see the future, but there is the indicators that I had coded. I didn't code them. Andre coded these indicators, and Keith Palmer is the one coding our scanner, the amazing scanner. So at buy stop coming up, by the way, for US 30 and NAS. Yeah, there's a 1 minute buy stop, US 30, NAS, and SPX forming before your very eyes. Now, when you look at this chart and you see it, oh, it looks busy. No, it doesn't. It's the easiest thing on earth. You have what doesn't belong. You have green, 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 red, green, green, and you put a buy stop in. I can't show you exactly where there's too many scammers out there trying to steal all the information instead of doing the right thing. They're being morally corrupt. But when you see this, you should know this. This is exactly what it looks like. These are 1 minute candles, but I'm sorry, 5 minute candles, but also works on 1 hours and 4 hours, doesn't matter. Green, 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 red, green, green. Look, you wait. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, nothing. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, nothing. 5 minute, 5 minute. Oh, there she blows. She went up, up, up. Now this is a break in the box. This break in the box means that you should look to the next higher time frame, but I'm not going to teach you all that. That's called a dirty buy stop. And it worked out absolutely flawlessly. And there's your trade. And you're up over 130 pips on one trade this morning. How do I know? Because I'm up it. You're up it if you took it. Even if it's demo, you took it. And there you go. It's about to reload. It has to come further down. This is ridiculous. This thing right here is absolutely too far away on the 5 minute. It's not gonna go down far enough. It's gonna come back up. Watch. Oh well. This is a 1 minute, 5 minute buy. Stop filling the gap for NAS. It's a 1 minute buy. Stop filling the gap for SPX and US 30. I don't think they're gonna come low enough for us to get back in the trade properly. Oh well. More money for us. Keeps going up. Yay. And there you go. That's how you trade it. Have a good day. You too, two Solar Siberians. Absolutely. After Bri. This will be great in the training course. Yes, it will. Bye, Lewis. Thank you. Tanny B, the Safe Trade Channel. I'll be nice, says Tanny. Okay. Kevin, the latest fad these gurus are using smart money concepts. Complete bullshit. Smart money concepts. Did at 15 at around 10:30 last night, says Patrick. Nice. You're doing those E-mini lots? I bet you Clintonio's cranking out the money. Wow. I'm gonna have to just mute myself. You're shadow banned because your calls are too good. Oh, I'm sure. I know. They don't want it getting out there. But one by one, I'm getting more and more people to buy, more and more people to learn to trade for themselves. Period. You're happy, man. Oh yeah. Well, I'm not more, dude. I'm so happy right now. Helping people. Me and Bree are living very, very blessed lives. Yep, very happy. Cheers, safety crew. Nice. 71 likes and 65 viewers. It's interesting. We only 65 viewers. Yesterday we were over 100 almost all morning long. Kind of weird. Kevin is managing multiple accounts, talking about TikTok, teaching on YouTube, and trading live. He's a genius. Nah, just blessed from God. But that's all actually. He's doing it all at the same time. Safety Trade channel. I'll be nice as Tanny. I hope you're nice to you.
It'll, maybe it will be nice.
Oh, okay. Candle, good morning, Bree. I showed her candle this morning that she made for us. I love that candle, the Safety Trade candle.
She makes awesome candles.
That's what I said. Precious, you hear Precious talking?
She made a custom candle. She loves it, and then she also made a
Nice. That's so cool. I saw both. They are very cool. Did around 15. Kevin's on fire on those mini accounts. Gold, please. Sure will. Look at gold. Thank you, Scandal. Hey, Annie. You're welcome, Annie. I will say this from the mountaintop. Thank you, Kevin, for sharing space system. Thank you, D Nice. Mizzy, is this his own system? Yes, this is called the Safety Trade System. You can learn to trade it too. It's very, 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 very extremely easy. I made it for beginners. I literally made it. Where did it go? Here we go. I made it so easy. And yes, this is true. This is a video. I don't know what's going on with my. I pull it from like a 50 inch or that's probably like a 30 inch, 40 inch to a 70 inch. So here we go. I made it. So this is so easy. A 4-year-old can recognize the patterns. So if a 4-year-old can't obviously trade, this is one of my members that did this. Oh, Wim Hof. There you go, Wim Hof. Everyone should do Wim Hof. Right here. This is a child, a 4-year-old of one of our guys, pointing out how to trade. He says, "Well, sell money, daddy, make money," or something. I should really write that out, huh? And there it is. There's a sell stop. She's recognizing it for. So if a 4-year-old can learn to recognize those patterns, you can learn to recognize those patterns. And all you do is you go over here, buy the system, learn to trade for yourself. For the love of God, please learn to trade for yourselves. I can't stress it enough. I can't. You guys need to get the system to learn to trade for yourself. Once you get your training, which is every Monday, right? Unless I'm on vacation somewhere. It's Mondays at 1 p.m., your original one, and then at 3 p.m., 3:30, 4 p.m. on your secondary one. So that's when you have your follow-up training. It's all live, small groups training. When you do that, the small live group trainings, right? You will get that for the rest of your life for that $575. And the safetytrade.com is the only place to purchase it directly. Only place. Don't let any, I do not have a different website. I don't have different anything. This is the website you go to. So the scammers out there try to get you to buy it from other places. And they don't have it. They can't have it. It's unbreakable. So good luck with that. They can try to scam it. They can try to guess at numbers, but they don't have it. Trust me, they don't. So with that in mind, just buy from here, spend your money, learn how to trade. After you purchase it, back over here, you're going to get what's called a type form. The type form is nothing but a nice little guide. It's one by one. Where is my type format? Oh, no, I don't have there it is. The type form looks exactly like this because this is the type form we use, and it welcomes you. If you can't follow simple instructions, then the system isn't for you. Don't buy it. If you can't follow simple instructions, then get it because we have videos for every one of these little numbers. There's a welcome and an ending, and there's 10 middle things. So there's only 10 things. How to do your MetaTrader 4, how to install your custom indicators with videos, and how to install these and do these things. And that's it. So that's what you get. We hold your hand basically through that first part, but you have to have common sense. And we do have a $777 one where we would help you out a lot more if you wanted to do that. That's the one-on-one. I don't recommend it. I think that's just it's not necessary in 99% of the cases. You're just wasting money on that point. Just buy it and wait for it. And then when you get your training done and you understand things, buy the scanner for $50 a month and just make money. That's all you have to do. And I can show you how this works in 2 seconds if you like. Again, I love doing mental health. Absolutely. Every day, baby. Well, I miss them, but try to do every day. Gotta go pick up my dad from the hospital. Oh, God bless your dad. I'm back. Good morning, Bree.
Good morning.
Holly. Good morning, Holly. All right. So let's take a look at what we got going on. US 30. US 30 locked in. Take profit. SPX I didn't play. I just didn't feel like playing SPX this morning. NAS, we're going to raise up our take profit just a little bit. Right here. We're in 70 pip take profit no matter what trade. Can't come, even if it comes down, I still make 70 pips on a trade. Let me raise this up just a little bit more. We can grab a little bit more of these two. And we're at a 30, 40, 30, 30, 40 pip take profit on US 30 no matter what. I don't suspect either one of those is going to come down. To be clear, we were as high as 137 on US 30, and we were as high as 137 on NAS. That's wild. So over 250 pips just off those two this morning alone. Just saying. Can you tell us version 4 is I'm already buying version 3? The scanner? Yeah. The scanner's coming where it's going to trade 2 out of the 3 indices to the blue line, and it's going to call it out on every time frame. Guys, I'm out. Thank you greatly for another amazing learning day. Paige, see ya. Have a good day. Paige. Oh, okay, cool. Yes, I'll analyze Bitcoin for you too, Hollet. I will. Do you think US 30 will close the gap on the 1 hour? Interesting asking. US 30, 1 hour. I can check it for you real quick. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. I still believe we have room to go up, actually. Yes. It's going to close the gap on the 30-minute first, though, to be answering your question. I do think we're still going to go up a little bit higher. So. Is the scanner part of the bundle? No, it is not. You will pay $50 a month for 2 rooms or $200 a month for all the rooms. Right? That's more than enough. All right, let's see the question. Can you handle Bitcoin? I've done Bitcoin multiple times. The scanner is, I mean, it's because the scanner trades like me, so it's 100% right, just the way it is. You just have to learn to read it. That's all. 1 minute sell, stop blue line already happened. 5 minute sell to the blue line already happened. You can see it go down, shot down below the blue line on the 5 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. 15-minute blue line. 30-minute blue line. 4-hour sell. 4-hour sell stop. Very strong. I just said this earlier today. I said it's 4-hour right here. 4 hours to the blue line just looks like a gorgeous thing to me. Daily buy. Weekly sell, monthly buy. 4-hour to the blue line sell stop. Interesting. Play every 1 minute sell stop on the way down. If you see this 15-minute buy, take it. It went back up and touched the 15-minute just like I said it would. Did I say it was gonna stay up there? No. Did I say it was gonna hit it again? Yep. Put another buy stop up here, wait. If it never comes up and grabs this, then you're never out any money. That's the beautiful thing about the system. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. There you go. That's Bitcoin. And Ethereum follows, same thing. Ethereum's the same as that. Watch. There's your sell stop, 1 minute. Back down to the 5-minute blue line. 15-minute buy went up just like the other one did. I don't think that's an engage, by the way, but it is what it is. 15-minute buy stop, 30-minute buy stop, 4-hour sell stop, daily buy stop, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop. That's Ethereum. XRP, hyper little XRP, 1-minute sell stop, 5-minute buy stop. It's already gone up. This is the problem with XRP. You should have been in these ones right here when it was called. These 15-minute buy stops would have netted you, yeah, about 3 cents a coin, which doesn't sound like much, but it is. Beautiful little profit on that. 30-minute nothing, it's too late. 1 hour nothing, it's too late. 4-hour sell stop. Daily buy stop to the blue line, called out forever ago. Weekly sell stop, month to the blue line, monthly buy stop. That's XRP. Gold, 1-minute sell. That's just too much money. I don't want to hear it. Gold just printed money for us. 5-minute sell, 15-minute sell, 30 minutes fill in the gap sell, 1 hour going down to the 4-hour. Here it goes. Called out. There it goes. Where's the 4-hour? Down there. That's where it's going to. Daily buy stop is going to come hook down and do this exact same thing right here. This is what gold's going to do. You're going to see this one turn red. Telling you again before it happens, probably a good days, if not weeks, these will turn green. Then you're going to see this exact same scenario play out. Price is going to come up, over, come back down. This is our first, which is always the best. Then come back down right here and make our logo again and do it again. That is gold. That is exactly what you're going to see gold do. Just let it play out over the next time. Now, these happen to be daily candles. This is going to take forever. The last time I made a daily call on oil, it was 6 months before it developed and did everything I said. I can't control how fast it moves, but I can tell you where it's going thanks to the greatness of God and that's what it's gonna do. So, count on it. That's what it's gonna do. Whether or not you wait around to see it, this is my we can't stay here and watch gold because we'd all be gray-haired and, done. There we go. What a beautiful gold call this morning, though. Easy peasy money. Easy peasy. You're in the money on the buy stop. Watch it go before you on US 30. You're already in the money again on NAS, filling the gap buy stop. You can see it again. It's gonna come up and fill in the gap NAS. You're in the money on that again. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on SPX. All three I can't call officially, but all three are happening right before your very eyes and going up, as I said they would. Now we're up $700 on those trades we were just up $500 on a second ago. There's the trade. Small account. Smaller account. And I dropped it back down. I think it was under 1,500. We're up $700. We're up $2,500. We get another $500, $400 on this account. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Then we get up to about, I don't know. We get up to about 3,000 in this account, we'll double it up again or close enough again. There you go. Right before your very eyes, you saw these go up $100. Look at this. You saw me just make $100 before your very eyes on this trade. Now, if we get another couple $100 out of this, we'll make another doubling of the count, which will be the 3rd time this week this account has doubled. You can see the full trade on I can move this over, but if you were on TikTok, I hope this doesn't blow something up here. If you were on YouTube instead of TikTok, you could see the whole trade. Here's the oh shit. Here's the rest of the trade. It gets really small when it goes from one thing to the next. I can't pull it over any more than this because there's different size monitors, and evidently different size monitors have effects on what happens to your things that you pull. Look at it go up before your very eyes. $150. There you go. There's your trades. Oh, I should leave these up, I guess. You guys really like seeing the shiny stuff. There's nowhere to put it. That's the problem. And there's nowhere to put it. Oh, well, you guys get the idea. Da-da-dee. Making money, me and you. Okay, Can you go over buy stop on NAS in the 5-minute? Absolutely, Desta. Okay, cool. Says have family wealth. Well, God willing, I ain't going anywhere, and I'll be nice, Patrick. Congratulations. There you go. It's just printing money. I know it's just printing gold money. Good morning, Kev. I called that gold 4 hour to the blue line. Nice, Anthony. Congratulations, Patrick and Anthony. Called it in the Discord. Congratulations, Anthony. Yep. Well, we're going to be having guest hosts, you guys, to teach other people how to trade to lock in your own trading ability. We'll be starting that, Lord willing, next week. We'll have a guest host here. Let's look at that 5-minute NAS buy stop. It's extremely easy to see. I'm going to teach you all how to trade. Here you go. It's let me hold on one second. The NAS is clean. Let me see if I can get us a how long? It's probably 4 hours or so. Well, how long is it saying?
You were on earlier than you got back on.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I was on. I started back at 9 o'clock, 9:15. I was originally on the first time at 4:35. I think it was 4:30. Yeah. Oh, you're only seeing like an hour on or something. Precious. Let's make them run. There you go. Which cheek, left or right? It's still a super bearish. It's not super bearish. No, we don't play like that, Con. We just go by the actual setups. That's a hard one to let go of, though. I know. Buy stop. Yes. I'm trying to make you have a clearer picture for that, other than that, so you don't get confused. This is called a dirty buy stop on the 5-minute right here, but it's super, super easy still. All you're going to do is one of these things doesn't belong. In this case, it's two because the red right here. But I can't tell you all the ways of how this works. But it is green, 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 red. This red is overridden by the higher time frame. Put your buy stop line in like I did, and up you go. Look at that money. Holy chimney. So yes, it's very, very easy. You open up a buy stop, you see that pattern. You have to verify everything on a higher time frame, which I'm not getting into, which is why it did what it did. That's just our logo. Who recognizes that from their training? Look how beautiful. Look at it. And these are the number of pips you're up right now. If you'd taken that trade that I told you to, you'd be up 160 pips on one trade. 160 pips. 160 pips on one trade. You would be up. I'm up a little bit late on this one, but you would be up 137 pips. Look at it. Crazy money. Crazy pips. This is fun. Now, let's be specific. This 30-minute US 30 buy stop that you're looking at, this is the one you should be asking about. How did Kevin call out this trade at 4:30 in the morning when I said 1-minute sell stops to their blue lines? And they all three indices, US 30, SPX, and NAS did it. And then when I said 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops up to US 30, 30-minute blue line. This is US 30, this is 30, this is the blue line. So when I called it out, it was up here. This is where it was at when I called it out. It then proceeded to drop. And then, as you guys saw it on the live, this live, it then proceeded to go up to the blue line. So how back here was I able to call? Let me mark it for you so you get an idea. It was right here where I called this, that purple line, when it was up here. I didn't say it was going to go straight up. I said it was going to drop down, go to their blue lines, which it did, and then it was going to turn and come back up to the blue line, which it did, and go past. That's what you guys should be asking yourself. Again, I don't think this isn't me getting lucky saying, "Hey, I think it might go down, it might go up. I'm not sure which. Maybe it'll go up, maybe it'll go down." This is me saying it will go down to their blue lines. Then it will form a 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop, depending on which currency pair it was. And then it will go, all three will go back up to the US 30, 30-minute blue line. All three went back up. They dropped down. So from 4:30 in the morning until 11 o'clock, I called what was gonna happen on 3 indices for the last 6 hours with 100% accuracy. You can't say that I wasn't 100% accurate. Usually, I try to say, "Oh, 99, 99, 99." Bullshit. It's 100% accurate. Every one of my calls was no, "Oh, you're bragging, and you're conceited." Oh, the F I am. Bull. I'm just telling you that it worked, that it did exactly the system worked 100%. How do you know what's gonna happen before it happens? How you gonna know? Because I know that it was too far away. I've been using this for 3 years. I know how this thing works. Trust me, you guys can learn it too in a month, in a week? No. Remind me to tell you something. I'm not I played it off with laughter. I did good, precious. All right. So there you go. I ask myself how you do it all the time. I know. I mean, just let's be reasonable here. There's 29 people watching. When I saw this other person flipping through fake money, not even not even speaking properly, you can't and they have a couple hundred people watching trying to do they don't even teach you anything. They don't even make the correct calls out. It's the weirdest thing on earth. They really, really, really are very, very interesting on TikTok and YouTube. But there you go. Oh, but you gotta keep calling more and more correct trades. Why? You're literally up 4 or 500 pips, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars. If Jay was here, he'd have hundreds of thousands of dollars today with an easy day. You guys shouldn't be trading still. And with that in mind, I'm probably get ready to roll and roll. It's true. Thank God, Kevin Bri. Yep, you're right, Christopher. All right, TikTokers, ask some questions. I'm gonna go over to YouTube and leave my final 12. I'm gonna call out 12 more signals on 12 different symbols. I'm going over to YouTube, the YouTube channel, which is always up. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, which is always up. This is just for fun. You guys should be trading demo money only. YouTube channel is Safety Trade right there. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. All right. What fun. Again, I can't stress enough that every one of you need to learn to trade for yourselves so you don't have to rely on me. I just can't stress it enough. Hopefully you guys look. All right, TikTok, we're out the door. Precious anything.
Bye, TikTokers.
TikTokers, see you over on YouTube. YouTube, do you have any questions before I make my final call outs? Does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Anyone at all? And okay, we're off of TikTok. Anyone at all? Da da dee, da da do, da 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 do. Ken Rose. Good morning, Ken. Next week, I believe it is. Looking very much forward to that. Da da do. Na 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 na. Thank you, Kevin, says Ken Rose. You're welcome, Ken. All right, here we go. I'm going to whip through a whole bunch of them. We're going to start with oil. If I can make any calls on oil, I will. All right, it's UK oil. This is gold. We're going to start with gold. Gold, and then our handles. All right, we're going to start with gold. Please leave anyone who comes in with negative bullshit jump their ass with no time for someone to hurt what Kevin's doing for us. Thank you. I appreciate that. It saves me from having to do it and get banned up which way. Interesting. We had so many more people on YouTube yesterday watching. It's kind of interesting. Huh. Oh well, who cares? Gold. It's a sell stop. There's nothing I can do. 1 minute sell, 5 minute sell, 15 minute sell, 30 minute sell. Yeah, you're too late. There's your 4 hour. Let me see real quick here, real quick. It already did, yeah. Here's your 4 hour where it's going to. I mean, that's where it's going to. There's nothing you can do. Daily buy stop gold. How about that? Used to play every 1 minute sell stop on gold as it keeps going down. Oil. Oil, 1 minute, sell. Oil, 5-minute, sell. Oil, 30-minute, buy. 30-minute, 1-hour buy to the 30-minute blue line oil. Weekly sell to the blue line oil. Monthly buy. We'll come back to the 3 and finish those up last. XRP, 1 minute. Looks like that sell worked out pretty good for you. Sell stop. XRP, 15-minute buy stop. Fill in the gap. It's gonna come down to the 15-minute line, and it can come back up again. That's what XRP is gonna do. Yes, it's gonna come down. That's what I said. Play every 1 minute sell on XRP you can, and then wait for that 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop to form. XRP, daily buy to the blue line, weekly blue line, monthly buy. Ethereum, 1 minute, sell. 5-minute, already hitting it. 15-minute, already passed it. 30-minute, play every 1 minute sell stop on XRP. I'm sorry, on Ethereum down. Then be ready for a 30-minute, 1-hour buy stop. Then 4-hour sell stop, Ethereum. Daily buy stop, Ethereum. Weekly sell stop, Ethereum. Monthly buy stop, Ethereum. Bitcoin, 1 minute, sell stop, Bitcoin, 15, 30, 30-minute buy stop, Bitcoin. Play every 1 minute sell stop on Bitcoin on the way down, 30-minute buy stop, 4-hour sell stop, get Bitcoin to its blue line, Bitcoin daily buy, Bitcoin weekly sell, Bitcoin weekly, monthly buy, ERUSD, 1 minute sell. Oh my gosh, look at all this money. 15-minute was a sell. Look right here where I called this. On ERUSD, you'd have made 45 pips. Oh, I hope someone took that trade. Look at that 30. Look at it. Just easy. The 30 minutes was even easier. 75. The 1 hours. Look at the 1 hours. Look at it. 100. 100. Dudes. 4-hour. It's going down to a 4-hour blue line. Yep, there she blows. Daily buy. Play every 1 minute ERUSD even though you're late to the party. Sell stops, ERUSD 1 minutes. Daily buy to the blue line, ERUSD. Weekly sell stop. This is a great reset. We bring in the digital dollar, and it's going down to the monthly blue line. That's ERUSD, GBP USD. 1 minute sell stop. Play every 1 minute sell stop you can, even though you're totally 100% late to the party. These are 1-hour sell stops to the blue line twice. I remember calling this one. You would have made money on this one, 20 pips. You'd have made money on this one, 75. You would have listened. I said this is going to go below the blue line this time. You'd have made 80. Add those all up together on GBP USD, you'd be up 200 pips. But whatever. Don't listen. Do supply. Do support and resistance. Do Fibonacci, the useless stuff that doesn't work. Do VWAP. Do volume. Volume doesn't work. Volume doesn't work. Volume doesn't work. Useless shit on the face of this earth. Daily buy, weekly sell. That's a great reset again. And it's a monthly sell, weekly, monthly sell to the ERUSD blue line. UDSHEF is just the opposite of ERUSD. And I'm done. All right. Anybody else want me to go over anything else? Not what I've gone over. I'm not doing those again. You want me to go over a different one? Let me know. Other than that, buy stop, US 30, 1 minute. 4-hour sell stop, blue line. Sorry, Precious. I'm not getting rid of these. I don't want to get rid of this. Hold on. Keeping this. This is going down in the history of Hall of Fames right here, Precious. Booby Ooby says, fuck that. This is a 100% accurate call. That is called out hours before it happened. They're out of their minds. I'm not going to listen to anything from anybody at this point. US 30. 1 minute buy stop. Hey, every 1 minute buy stop you can until you see otherwise noted, okay? And then look for your 4-hour sell stop. All right, you go over to NAS. 1 minute buy, fill in the gap. It's just too far away. NAS will load in. It's just too far away. I can't believe this shit's still going up on NAS. This is insanity. This is insane. Okay. I'm gonna call NAS as an unofficial I'm gonna call all 3 of them unofficial. Hold on, let me say SPX real quick. Look at this. They're too far away. It's gotta pull back down. This is insane. Look at that. Picture perfect 5-minute buy stop. This is 15-minute buy stop on SPX. Picture perfect. Oh, confirmed with the gap. I really gotta get, I'm gonna have to talk to Keith to see if he can recognize that trade with this camera. This is a trade only your mother needs to make. For my SPX, this spike right here, it's always this way. It's gonna be when they see this on the 1 hour, 4 hours like that, or the 15-minute, 30 minutes. All right, anywho.
Oh, are you inviting us along with you?
I'm sure Patrick, is that Patrick? I'm sure Patrick would. All right, now. Okay, done. All right, guys. Coming up at $35 an ounce on gold. Nice. 1 week till cruise time, Bri. Let's go. What a gem. Tell us how to party. That's funny. Miami on Friday for Memorial Weekend. Nice. Will you marry me? Not Kong coming after my man. That's funny. Thank God I stuck around, and thank God you put this all together. You're welcome. Oh, nice, Jordan Begley. Don't worry about that. Take care of your family first, your house first. We'll be here. Okay. Say some prayers for you too. On the Scarlet Lady, Bri.
Charlotte Night. Name of the cruise.
Sounds like it's a cruise line. Sounds like a local cruise. I don't think that's the big ones.
Oh, adults only cruises.
Oh, there you go.
Nice.
Oh, Patrick, she likes the sound of those. Amy Lou, thank you, God, bring Kevin. Thank you, Amy, and thank you all. All right, guys. Left you with those call outs. Enjoy yourselves with those. Hopefully, you make some money. But again, if you're still trading after I called out trades like this, perfection. All right, guys. Rich, anything for YouTubers? All right, guys. See ya. 4 hours, 5 hours before they happen, precious. 4 hours.